Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by capturing the failure pattern. Note when the green screen happens, which app and the GPU temperature. Next, power cycle the system, shut down, wait 30 seconds, and restart, because transient errors often clear. Once restarted, switch to safe mode or the integrated GPU to determine whether the discrete card is the cause. This isolates drivers from hardware. While doing that, make sure you have a second display cable and a camera to document artifact timing and persistent color overlays. Once isolated, run a clean driver install. Boot safe mode, run the to remove remnants, then install the latest WHQL or certified driver. This resolves many green overlays. Next, update the GPU VBIOS and the motherboard BIOS if updates address display or PCIe issues, and make sure to read release notes. If problems persist, try a slightly older driver or underclock the GPU by 5 to 10%. Reducing core or memory clocks can finish with physical checks. Power down, unplug, then reseat the GPU and verify 6/8-pin power connectors are tight because loose power causes artifacts. Clean dust, check thermal paste, and then test different cables and monitor ports to rule out cabling. If the green screen persists, test the card in another PC or run a PSU swap to eliminate power issues. If after all that the fault remains, prepare an RMA with your logs, temperature data, and video evidence. This speeds technician diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.